Mentioning Part 2, item number 21, Lordship. Part 2, item 21. I have taken consent of the other parties and I'm appearing on behalf of the amicus. If the matter can be kindly taken up after 2 weeks.
No objection.
Okay. Item
Item 21.
Miss
Nero Pare,
Lana Council,
on behalf of the
appearing
amicus.
on behalf of Mr. Lal Fakwama, amicus curiae, for the appellant, prays for adjournment of the matter and to be listed after 2 weeks, to which Miss Lana PP has no objection. Prayer allowed, list the matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Give me a blank.
May it seek your lordship's indulgence. My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. A.R. Malhotra, and since there is a bereavement in his family, we won't be able to attend the matter, the hearing items this week. So, if I may be allowed to list the items and adjourn on his behalf.
Item
Items 1,
one
2,
of
my lord, 1 and
today's
2. Yes, my lord. Hearing items. My
hearing
part
item
2.
part 2. Item 1,
1, 2, 6 and 8, my lord.
6 and 8
Yes, my lord. If these matters may be listed after 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks. Okay. Miss, have you informed the other side?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Lana Council, appearing on behalf of you are appearing on behalf of Mr. A.R. Malhotra.
Yes, my lord.
No. Miss Lana Council submitted Mr. A.R. Malhotra is in bereavement and therefore she prayed for adjournment of the matter, to which the Lana Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent, has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List the matter after 2. As prayed for, list the matter after 2 weeks. That is 1, 2, 6 and 8. Similar order.
Obliged.
Okay.
My lord, may I seek your worship indulgence in mentioning item number 5 of the hearing list, part 2 of the hearing list.
5
If permitted, may this be taken up after 2 weeks?
after 2 weeks
Item number 5.
of hearing list.
Yes, part 2 of the hearing list.
You are for the appellant. Appellant.
Yes, my
Have
lord.
you informed the other side?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, Miss
Lily Lorraine Pui Potswang.
Lana Council, for the appellant, with the consent of the Lana Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent, prays for adjournment of the matter to be listed after 2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List the matter accordingly after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Daily list for admission, item 1.
May I please, your lords, my lord, this case is 1 year, 2 months and 13 days old from the date I filed this petition, but none of the respondents has filed affidavit. There are 5 respondents. One is Ministry of Housing, Urban Development and Poverty Alleviation, Government of India.
1 year.
1 year, 2 months, 13 days old from
And
the
how
date
many,
I
how many
filed.
hours?
Hour is excluded.
Okay. So, none of them have filed an affidavit.
Yes, my lord, as per order passed by this honorable court, dated 13 July, observation sought for by the learned counsel for the petitioner shall be considered if counter affidavit is not filed by the respondents by the next court date. List the matter again on 3rd August 2026. This is the last order. That is 13 July.
Yes, who appears for the respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm appearing for the respondent number 2 to 5. And Your Lordship, as per this court order, it is seen that if we did not file the counter affidavit as of today, so the matter will be considered again. So in that regard, I'm seeking another 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit.
I'm for respondent number 1. I just received instruction
I may be given 3 weeks time for filing my
You
affidavit.
have received instruction.
Yes, my lord.
You are also praying for how much time?
2 weeks may be given.
You have already received instruction.
Yes, I just received.
Okay. So they have received instruction. One final chance can be given.
Last chance.
So that last chance observation is to be made this time.
My lord.
Heard, Mr.
Lalrem Tuawa.
Learning counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Miss Jairam Sangpui, learning counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1.
For respondent number 1, I have
Submits that she has received an instruction. And with instruction, however, she will be needing needing for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. Miss, yes. Miss Sam, learning counsel appearing on behalf of the state government advocate, appearing on behalf of the state respondent number 2 to 5. Madam, have you received instruction? Not yet.
Not yet, Your Lordship.
Submits that he is yet to receive instruction, and therefore she also prays for the 3 weeks time to obtain instruction as well as to file affidavit. Stop. As prayed for Kama, the respondents are granted for the 3 week time to obtain instruction and to file affidavit in opposition as a last chance. Okay. List the matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Item 2.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, I have already received advance copy from the department. However, it is not yet vetted by the Law and Judicial Department. So if I may be granted another 3 weeks time for filing affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mary 4, respondent number
Your Lordship, for the state respondents.
1 to 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
3 to 5.
Okay.
3 to 5, Lordship. State
And then,
Oh, 3 to 5. 3 to 5, Your Lordship.
3 to 5. Okay, okay. And then who else is appearing?
For respondent number 1 and 2. My lord, will not be filing affidavit.
Okay, you will not be filing.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, you will not filing. And who else? 1, 2.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel Vanashiata for
You're for?
respondent number 7.
7.
Yes, Your Lordship, the learned counsel is currently out of station due to the illness of his mother. The learned counsel is currently out of station due to
Okay.
the illness of his mother. We
Okay.
have filed our affidavit.
Whether 7 has filed affidavit?
We have filed our affidavit on
Okay,
15/11/2025.
So, 3 weeks time can be granted?
Yes, my
Okay,
Lord.
hard, Mr.
Stephen Lalbuasya. Lordship, if specific date may be given.
Okay, Stephen Lal Watsai, Learning Counsel for the petitioner, staff. Miss Mariel Kangte, Learned. Mary is a government advocate or AG. Mary is?
Your Lordship,
Government
it's,
advocate. Okay, Learned
it's
Counsel.
government advocate.
Okay, appearing on behalf of the state respondent number 3 to 5.
3 to 5.
Prays for further 3 week time to file affidavit in opposition. Miss Jairam Sangpui, Lana CGC, submits that they are the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2 is not filing. Appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2, submits that they are not filing any affidavit. Staff. Miss
Zodin Buitzaktua on behalf of Samuel Vanashiata.
Okay, appearing on behalf of Mr.
Samuel Vanashiata,
Okay.
representing respondent number 7.
Okay, for respondent number 7, Samuel Van Lalvieta Changte, Learning Counsel for the respondent. No, Miss so-and-so, submitted. Mr. Samuel Vanland Chang, Telangana Council for the respondent. He is out of station, therefore she also prayed for some time. And prays for adjournment. Stop. In view of the above, and as prayed for by the Telangana Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent, let the matter be listed after 3 weeks. Or after you are praying for
Lordship, if the matter
Date.
is listed on 27th of August.
27 of
August.
Okay. In view of the above, and as prayed, as requested, list the matter on 27 of
Lordship, the respondent number 6, counsel is not present today. Counsel for respondent number 6 is not present today.
Not present.
Not-
Okay. Whether respondent number respondent number 6
yes, ma'am.
is not present. Okay. Whether 6 has filed affidavit, their
Not
affidavit?
yet.
Okay. No one appears on behalf of the respondent number 6. Okay.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Item 3,
Your Lordship, and for the petitioner, I have received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. If I may be given 2 weeks' time to file my counter affidavit.
Okay. Miss
Bilaram Nemi.
Lana Counsel for the petitioner who submitted she had just received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent and praised for how much time you said?
2 weeks' time.
2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Staff. Miss,
Vanessa.
yes, Vanessa Lana Counsel appear on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stop. As prayed for, list matter after 2 weeks to enable Miss Land Council for the petitioner to file affidavit in reply. Okay.
Obliged.
item 4,
May it please Your Lordship, I am the counsel for the petitioner in the IA and the WPC 27 of 2026. In the previous court, I was allowed to give a dusty service, and an affidavit has been returned. And I haven't received any affidavit from the respondents.
Who appears for the respondent?
Your Lordship, I am appearing for the state respondents number 4, 5, and 6. In this,
4, 5, or 6, or 4, 6, and 7.
Your Lordship, 4, 6, and 7.
Okay.
In this application, Your Lordship, in the prayer portion, prayer B, at page 5 of the application, IA of the IA.
Okay.
Their prayer is that stay the operation and effect of the eviction order dated 24/6/2026 issued by the Deputy Commissioner.
IA also
IA.
filed here.
Yes, IA was filed here. IA number 140
Yes,
of
yes, yes.
2026.
Okay, 140. So
In the prayer portion,
parties are directed to maintain status quo.
yes, they are praying for to stay the operation effect of the eviction order dated 24/6/2026 issued by the Deputy Commissioner. However, Your Lordship, in the IA, in the writ petition, the Deputy Commissioner is not made a party.
In IA
Yes, in the IA and in
as
the
well as
main
in the writ petition.
Yes, both.
But the order was issued by the Deputy Commissioner.
Yes.
Deputy Commissioner is not a party.
Not a party.
So then,
Your Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner is the party. He's using his Kala power.
he is using?
No,
The
Your
Kala power,
Lordship,
yeah, there is within the Kala power.
The
for
Kala is the additional DC.
That is additional.
DC and additional DC is different. They are not holding the same post.
Additional
and-
Deputy Commissioner is
Yes,
different.
Your Lordship, Kala is an autonomous body. It's not the same. They are not holding the same power.
The order was issued by, where is the impugn order? Let us see just once. In IA or in the main? Let us see in the main
It's in the annexure, Your Lordship.
page.
Page
7 and 8.
7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where? In IA?
In the
Yes, in
IA.
Yes, 7 is district magistrate.
And Deputy Commissioner. Yes, Your Lordship.
Come deputy commissioner. And no, if you are challenging the order passed by the deputy commissioner, you have to implead him as a party, make him as a party. He is a necessary party. So how do we state? Cannot be state unless you make him party.
Your Lordship.
No order can be passed against the deputy commissioner who has passed this order, issued this order, isn't it? I think you have to implead him first. Okay, hard, Mr.
David Malsomkima.
Line counsel for the petitioner, who submits that at the time of filing this writ petition and IA, inadvertently, he has not impleaded the deputy commissioner. Deputy commissioner, which district?
District Magistrate and Deputy Commissioner. Aizawl. Aizawl District.
Aizawl, who issued the impugn order dated 28/6/2026, and therefore we prays that he may be allowed to implead and file an appropriate application for impleadment of the deputy commissioner, for which he prays for how much time? 1 week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
1 week time. Okay. So prayer can be allowed. The prayer having not been objected is allowed to stop. List a matter after a week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Miss, your phone.
For respondent 4, 6 and 7.
Okay, Miss. Your name.
Caroline
Good
K. Lungoy.
Okay. Appear on behalf of. Who appear for other respondent number 1, 2? Okay, Jaram Sangpui for Lanka Dana CGC. Appear on behalf of the respondent number 1. And
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Samuel Vanashia, who is representing respondent 2 and 3, and we have filed affidavit
okay,
in opposition.
Miss So and so appear on behalf of Mr. Samuel Banlanriata Changte for respondent number 2 and 3, and Miss Harnem for respondent number 4, 6 and 7. Okay, stop. Is prayed for. Kama list this matter after a week. Okay.
Item 5.
Lordship, the counsel for the respondent number 1 is yet to file their power and their affidavit. But till date, I believe they haven't filed it yet.
Not yet filed.
Yes.
Otherwise, they appeared earlier? No.
Yes, they have already appeared.
Could appear. Okay.
and-
Why you are not filing Wakalat Nama?
Lordship,
Yes, who
today
appeared
also
for?
I haven't seen them.
Okay,
I have
it's
seen
not
the
there.
counsel.
Okay. It's Avinash. Avinash is not present.
Not present, Lordship.
How many respondents are there?
3 respondents, Lordship.
He represent all 3 or else?
Yes, Your Lordship. State is represented by the State Council.
You are for respondent number
3. The
Okay.
State Council.
And for respondent number 2.
2. Are you filing affidavit?
No, Lordship.
In the last court date, Lordship,
Okay.
in the previous court date, they already
Record was called
mentioned
for?
that, yes. They are not-
Whether record was called for?
Record was already called for, I believe, Lordship.
Okay.
My
Now what is to be done then?
Lordship, they have yet to file their power. Moreover, the respondent number 1 is we are challenging the
additional documents which they have filed in the lower court.
Hmm.
So they are important in this revision petition, Lordship.
Okay, on the last occasion he prayed for trying to file wakalatnama as well as affidavit in opposition, but not filed. So, respondent, you are not filing.
Yes, Your Lordship, we will not be filing.
Okay. Hard miss.
Each lemon so.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. You are also not filing?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Also hard.
Arlon Hun Siama for respondent number 2.
When I have Siami, learned government advocate, appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2.
Number 3.
Or 3. And Mr. You are Mr.
Arlon Hun Siama for
Okay.
number 2.
For respondent number 2 are present and submits that they are not filing any affidavit in opposition to the case. Stop. Mr. Avinash Guru, who earlier appeared on behalf of the respondent number 1, has not yet filed wakalatnama nor filed any affidavit in opposition. He is not present in the court today. Stop. So what to do?
Lordship, if the
They-
matter can be listed again in after a
Okay.
week.
Okay. In view of the above, and is after a week.
After a week.
Okay. List a matter after a week to enable
I'll try to contact them also.
enable Mr. Avinash Guru to file wakalatnama as well as to file affidavit in opposition. Okay, list a matter. Okay, after a week. No? Okay.
Give your pledge.
Item 6.
Yes, Your Lordship, this is an appeal filed by the state, and the delay has been condoned on 19/6/2026. And Your Lordship, this appeal pertains to the judgment and order.
Passed by the civil judge, junior division.
Yes. And Your Lordship,
Are you challenging the entire?
no, only
Okay.
part of the judgment and order.
You pray. It seems that you pray for praying for the setting aside of the judgment and order itself. Have not
Judgment
clarified.
and order, which is in subclause 5, yes. Your
Yes, have not clarified that it's with regards to the order
Regarding
and the
the court fees and
your
how-
prayer is for entire setting aside of the entire order. You are not aggrieved by the entire order.
Not aggrieved
You are
by
only
the entire
aggrieved
order.
by the clause 5 of the judgment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The clause 5 of the order.
Clause 5, yes. That is in Roman number 3 of my appeal application.
With regards to the course of the suit.
Yes.
Okay, who appeared for the respondent?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for the respondent.
Respondent number?
Number
1 or 2?
Number 1.
1. And you are for?
Looking vessel.
Okay. So, what to do? What is your submission?
Your Lordship, we have no objection against the appeal. Since
Okay.
the appeal does not go to the merit
Then
of
it can be
case.
disposed of.
Yes, Your Lordship.
All, but the rest of the condition, the rest of the order will remain intact.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And only this part,
Only
this
this part, subclause 5.
subclause 5 of the suit, that is for the court fee,
Yes.
will be set aside, and then bear your own cost, both here also. Okay. So I'll pass necessary order then in that case. Okay. Miss.
Bane Islami.
Government advocate or
Government advocate.
okay, government advocate for the appellant. Also hard miss.
Gallery Ndiki.
Your name is there? Land counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. No one appears on behalf of the respondent number 2. Stop. Respondent number 2 never appeared before the trial court also, it appears. And the order probably was not in their prayer. They were not insisting also.
Yes.
It's only the court who passed.
Yes.
Court was, found out that the deputy commissioner or the authority did not do. Because actually it should have been settled before the authority itself.
Exactly.
Should not have been allowed to go for the civil court. Okay. This is regular appeal. This regular appeal has been filed under section 17 within bracket 2 within bracket B of the Mizoram Civil Court Act, 2025, read with section 96 and order 41 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, assailing the judgment and order dated 19/7/2024. There is also decree, I think.
Yes, Your Lordship, there is a
Decree is separate dated. Are you challenging? In the decree also is there? Yes.
Yes,
On the same date.
on the same day.
Okay, judgment and assailing the judgment and order that is 19/7/2024 passed by the learned civil judge, Junior Division 4, Aizawl District, in civil suit number 99/2022. Whereby 22, okay, that's fine. We'll mention all these order also which will remain intact, and we'll give some direction also to just expedite, because there is 1 month time was given to you, and expedite that her allotment land settlement certificate should be issued, whether it's already issued or not yet.
Already issued, I guess.
Already issued?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is it so?
The merits of the case has been settled, except this cost,
Mhm.
which we have appealed.
Have you already received?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay. The Learned Counsel for the appellant submit that and the Learned Counsel for the appellant at the outset submits that the appellant is not aggrieved by the order under clause 1, 2, 3 and 4 of the order dated so and so, order dated 19/7/2024. However, she is aggrieved only by the clause 5 of the order, which says that by which the learned court has directed the appellant learned court has awarded the cost of the suit, including court fees and counsel fee, and directed the appellant 2 to 5. The appellant to pay the cost within a month from the date of submission of the claims of the department. Stop, huh? it is submitted that that okay, this detail I will cover a little bit. Okay, I'll complete that order. This detail is to be covered a little bit. Okay, it'll take some time. Okay, dispose of.
Obliged.
Item 7.
Yes.
Your Lordship, on behalf of the respondent number 7, I'm yet to file my affidavit. I was supposed to file. As per the last court's order, Your Lordship, I was instructed to file an affidavit in the IA and in the writ petition. However, if Your Lordship will give me another a week's time to file my affidavit on behalf
in
of
the
the respondent number 7,
in the main.
IA and in the main writ petition.
In both.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. You are for respondent number?
In the IA, I'm for respondent number 7, and in the writ petition for respondent number 6.
3 to 6.
6.
Only 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Six means
Kala, Your Lordship.
additional deputy commissioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes, 6 is necessary. His affidavit is necessary. Other the rest already filed, I think. Okay. His affidavit is necessary. So in the main also.
In the main and in the IA.
Okay. Mr. Land Council for the Land Council for the in IA you are for applicant.
Yes.
Okay. And who is for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner in the main.
And so also had Mr. Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number. You are for otherwise in IA respondent number?
1 mile.
1. Writ petitioner, huh? Also had Miss Karthik Jain, Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number? 8 to 11. 8 to 11. And Ms. Jairam Sangpui for respondent number? Then the CGS, yeah. For respondent number 2. And also had Miss
Caroline K.
Mrs. Caroline K.
Lung Oi Pui.
Lunga Pui, Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 7 in IA and respondent number 6 in writ petition who submits that she may be further granted. How much time you said?
A week's time.
Further granted 1 week time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. The prayer having not been objected to by the Land Council appearing on behalf of the applicant petitioner is allowed. Stop. List the matter after a week. Okay.
Pledge.
Item 8.
Made pleases your lordship. Madam, this is an application for regular bail.
Bail. Yes.
My lord, my ground for this bail, if your lordship may kindly turn to page number 1616. My lord, my ground here is that, my lord, here is a case where the my lord, here is the case.
Yes, page.
My lord, page 16. My lord, before page 16, I'll just sum it up. My lord, what are my grounds for bail?
Okay.
My grounds for bail here is that the petitioner is from Assam, my lord, and the grounds of arrest is from Assam, my lord. He's a Bengali who understands Assamese Bengali Hindi, and the grounds of arrest were communicated to him in Mizo language. And the grounds of, that is section 47, violated because it was not imparted in a language he understands. And secondly, my lord, section 48, which mandates that the grounds of arrest is to be communicated to the relatives or family member, my lord.
Where it is in the Mizo language? Can we just...
My lord will kindly come to page number 19. That original one, and then I'll show the vernacular. Sorry, the translated one. Detailed grounds of arrest. My lord,
No,
I cannot
page
read.
19.
Page 19. That is,
This is in Mizo.
yes, it is in Mizo language. Detailed grounds of arrest. The detailed grounds of arrest are in Mizo language. I cannot read it, man. Hunan, Dan, Lova, Dan. And the translation is at page number 16.
Translation is done by whom?
My lord, with the assistance of my local
Okay,
council.
this by the petitioner.
Yes, by the local, with the assistance of the local council. Page 16, detailed ground of arrest. This is one. My second.
Just a minute.
In fact, my lord, what had happened in this case is this, my lord. 3 persons were arrested, 2 happens to be Mizo. So they have just copy paste.
Nowhere in this information under section 47 that he was explained.
Nothing.
He was read over and explained. Nowhere.
Nothing. Because they have just copy pasted it. And this is one. The second one is more. My lord will kindly turn to this section 21 notice, my lord.
Where the record was called for?
Yes.
See, the case diary was called for. Is it available?
I have not received yet. The
not
case
not
diary.
received?
Yes.
Then a record would be necessary then in that case.
My lord, if he wishes to argue on the basis.
No, that cannot be. Record has to be seen because we do not know whether it was explained or not. We need to see.
I believe that it is explained because it is the normal
because this
practice
is
that they have.
it is understood that he is from Assam, cannot understand Mizo, but then unless it is explained, there must be some record. We just would like to see. Unless it's explained, it cannot be. Otherwise, you have good case if it was not explained.
In fact, my lord, if your lordship sees the section 48 notice, which is at page number 21, it is more bizarre. The 48 that is to the relatives, number 1, it is never sent to the relatives. Number 2, it is in Mizo language. Number 3, it is signed by...
Mizo language is sufficient probably. But then we would like to see the record.
My lord,
Okay.
my only submission is that, my lord, I'll be here for another 1 or 2 days, my lord. It is nearby, my lord. If they can produce it, because notice was...
When can you produce?
Notice was issued long back, my lord.
By tomorrow. By day after tomorrow, I mean.
Day after tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. A.
Biswas, M.
Biswas, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Ganesh Shami, Land Additional PP for the state. Case study was called for. However, the Land Additional BP, some states is yet to receive the case study, and in view of the above, and I pray for Kama in this matter on. It will be on Wednesday, or Wednesday is a DB day, I think.
Yes, Thursday.
Thursday. Wednesday DB day will not keep. DB day is all will be this week. DB day only will be one day. Thursday.
My lord, will kindly give me a liberty to upgrade it because Thursday 3:35 flight I have to catch. You give me the liberty to.
Well, let us see. Let us see. Thursday. Okay.
If it is listed in the first item, then day after tomorrow, on Thursday.
Thursday is item 1.
Stop. On which date the Land Additional PP shall produce the scanned copy of the case diary. Okay.
Item 9.
My lord, we have received the paper book and the matter can be fixed for hearing. We have received the paper book and the matter can be fixed for hearing.
Okay, receive the paper book. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Hardness,
Violet Thamwani.
Land Counsel for the appellant, and Ms. Dinda L. Pamwal, Land PP.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, for the state. Who else? Okay, state, stop. It is submitted that the councils have received the paper book and the matter is ready for hearing. Stop. As requested, come in view of the above, list the matter after
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, after 3 weeks. Okay.
Supplementary list. Item 10.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, this similar matter, my Lord. May I am audible, my Lord?
Yes, yes. Similar matter means?
A similar matter, so last occasion my junior appeared in particular case, my Lord. There is a question of mentality of repetition, my Lord. According to them, my Lord, this is reference court order, so thereafter a calculation was made by the district collector. So if that is so, my Lord, the similar matter, the WBC 5 2025, 6 to 2025, 7 2025, 8 2025 is pending before this honorable court, my Lord. And one writ appeal pending, my Lord, writ appeal 16 of 2025, my Lord. In writ appeal, my Lord, what happened, my Lord? The issue raised by the maintainability, my Lord, it was dismissed by writ petition, my Lord. And on that order, in writ appeal, that order is stayed, my Lord, by the idle bench itself, my Lord. So, in my Lord, the WBC 5 of 2025, my Lord, the honorable court when heard the matter, it was heard on, my Lord, on 21/7/2026, my Lord. And I'm reading, I've already sent to the order to the court master, my Lord, but I'm, if not printed, I'm reading, my Lord. The order is 21/7/2026. After hearing Mr. S.K. Medi, learned CGC for the petitioner at some length, and court has been informed that similar case was dismissed by this coordinate bench of this court on mentality of the writ petition. And the Union of India, being aggrieved with, has filed a writ appeal number 16 of 2025, which pending consideration and disposal on as on date. Since the issue involved the pending present petition is also one and the same, the outcome of the writ appeal 16 of 2025 be awaited. Accordingly, list the case after disposal of the writ appeal 16 of 2025. Liberty to the parties to make a mention. So this writ appeal is pending, my Lord. And the petition also pending before this honorable court, my Lord, regarding the same issue, my Lord. And if Lordship, my Lord, we want so far the maintenance question is raised by the respondent. They have not filed any affidavit till date, my Lord. Regarding this order of the reference court, my Lord, Lordship is hearing.
Yes, yes.
Regarding this the mentality of the writ petition, my Lord, they raised the question, my Lord. This, my Lord, LA case order is page 36, my Lord, page 36.
What do you want today? What is your prayer?
Yeah, my prayer, my Lord, is this matter may come along with the WPC number 5 up to 5 of 2025, my Lord.
Okay, these matters are fixed on?
My Lord, it will come immediately after this listing of the writ appeal 16 of 2025, my Lord. So I'm trying to list the matter, writ appeal, my Lord. This week also.
Can list it along with then?
No, my Lord.
Yeah.
The issues is different.
This is different.
That is different.
It says the issue here is different.
No, my Lord, same, my Lord. So my Lord, completely same, my Lord.
So,
This all-
I'm raising, my learned friend has stated that.
Just a minute, huh? Mr. Mehdi, yes.
My Lord, my learned friend has stated that I have yet to file my affidavit. That is absolutely correct. But what I am raising right now is the question of law. Whether this writ petition is maintainable because of the fact that there was a determination of compensation against an application filed under section 28A. Accordingly, LA case number 1 of 2019 was disposed, rightly or wrongly, which they have not challenged. That has to be challenged by way of an appeal under section 54, when appeal provision is provided in the Land Acquisition Act. They cannot come by way of writ petition. That's what I'm trying to say, Your Lordship.
Now, how it is same with the others? The matter which is pending also is similar.
Yes, sir. In that all particular cases, my
You have
Lord,
heard what
the-
Learning Council for the respondent has submitted, isn't it? Is it
Yes,
the
sir.
same?
Yes, I may place my case also, my Lord. In all cases, my Lord, this is filed by me, my Lord. I am the counsel for the railway, all these cases. In that case, my Lord, there is order.
No, what is, just a minute, what is submitting?
What he is
Is
submitting, my
that
Lord, I am the respondent in those one of those cases, what he is mentioning as well.
The dismissal on the maintainability is under challenge before the writ, by way of appeal. And the appeal is pending and listed on 16 or something.
If I may, what I'm trying to impress upon Your Lordship is that the writ appeal which my learned friend is referring to is arising out of a writ petition which was filed by the private persons. We had prayed for payment of interest under section 34 and 28, which was omitted in the main award. So that we have come
See,
by way
Learning
of
Council,
writ petition.
what is submitting is similar matter, and it was dismissed. And that is under challenge before the before the division bench by way of writ appeal. What is he submitting? And that is fixed on when? 16.
My Lord, it is not fixed, my Lord. My last occasion, we are trying to list this matter on.
We are
If
trying
it is
to
similar,
list.
if it is same,
How
similar
is it the
matter,
same?
probably.
My Lord, he has not mentioned anything in the writ petition regarding that.
Submitting, my Lord.
Now
already,
he is
my Lord,
submitting.
I will
If it
have
is
to
similar
check.
matter,
I don't believe so, but let me have a look.
writ appeal, whether there is any
Writ
stay
appeal
in the
number,
writ
just
appeal.
give me.
Yes, my Lord. The stay order is there, my Lord.
There is a stay also. Then in that case, how? See, in the same and similar matter, if the,
That's all right, my
it
Lord.
was
Let me have a look at that.
you
writ
have a
appeal.
good case. You may have a good case, and in the same way it will be passed. Supposing, if that is under stay, that has been stayed in the writ appeal, then is it? I think it's the same.
That
Similar.
My Lord.
If that is
Another
stayed.
thing is- Another thing is, my Lord, in LA, my Lord.
Do you have the copy of that order?
Just, I would like to put one question before this honorable court.
Hmm.
Whether a person can file a writ petition in an LA proceedings without
No.
invoking the appeal provision.
See, assuming no. So here also dismissed, probably. And that dismissal order is under challenge. What he is submitting? And
My lord,
in that appeal, it is stayed. That is what he
My
is
lord,
submitting.
No,
My
what
Lord,
I-
my Lord, my Lord,
You
may
are
I
correct
place one thing?
otherwise.
My Lord, may I place one thing, my Lord? In all LA cases, my Lord, there is no order to pay the interest from the date of possession of
That is,
34 interest.
I am not going on the merit. I am not going on the merit. Forget about whether.
Here also,
You
Lordship,
produce the, produce the
Let him produce the
copy of
record.
the order, copy of the order passed in appeal.
My lord, my learned friend may kindly share the read appeal number.
Just wait.
Let my learned friend share the appeal number.
Where is the appeal number?
There is 16 of 2025, my lord. I have shared the order to courtmaster also, my lord. The initial order, my lord, initial order is, my lord, passed on, my lord. Initial order is passed on, my lord. By Honorable
No such
Justice,
order has been shared with us.
My lord, 21/1/2026 initial order passed, my lord. Read appeal number 16 of 2000, my lord, 25, my lord. I have sent to my the courtmaster, Mr. Michael, this order, my lord, today itself, my lord.
Okay.
And another thing, my lord, I want to place one thing, my lord. This what my learned friend is submitting, my lord. This the page 54 of my writ petition, my lord. Page 54, my lord. Paragraph
Let us see
6.
the order. Let us see the order.
Which order, my lord?
The writ appeal order.
My lord, I already sent, my lord, this, my lord.
Now, it's different now. It's different.
Different.
The facts are different. Because in that case, as can be seen from para 2 of the order dated 21/1/2026, it says that, may I read, Your Lordship? The appellants have challenged the impugned judgment and order dated so-and-so passed by the learned single judge dismissing the writ petition number so-and-so on the ground that an order of a civil court was not amenable to writ jurisdiction under 226 of the Constitution of India. In this case, they have not challenged the civil court's order.
My lord, this lordship.
They have not challenged the civil court's order. Your Lordship may look at the prayer portion.
My lord,
What are you challenging, counsel, for that?
Yes, we have challenged this section 34 interest, my lord. Section 34 interest, my lord.
This
Section
petition
34
itself is
my lord.
defective, Your Lordship.
My
That's
lord,
what I'm trying to
my
say.
lord,
In that
Lord,
case,
lordship, 54, my lord. Page 54 of the writ petition.
Page 19 is the prayer portion.
My lord, page 54, my lord. Of my writ petition, my lord.
what is that?
What's page 54 of the my writ petition, my lord.
What is that?
Page, paragraph 6. I am reading slowly. I have heard learned counsel so-and-so advocate for the applicant as well as the Ali Hussain counsel for the respondent 2. However, the fact remains that respondent 1 have made no objection to the application as stated earlier. In view of the law already stated earlier, in a case of this nature, the application under section 28A of land acquisition 1894 cannot be considered as a reference under section 18. And the applicant who are similar situated with those of the landowner who had filed reference cases as stated earlier are entitled to benefit of the court award if application under section is made within a period of 3 months as stipulated herein. Accordingly, application of the applicant referred to this court by the district collector Kolasip, so-and-so is directed to be sent back to the district collector Kolasip. District collector Kolasip, on receipt of this order, shall process the application of the applicant under section 28 of the land acquisition of accordance with law. Next, my lord. At this stage, it may be pointed out that applicants are equally entitled all benefit as given those the landowner who are petition allegation number 2 of 2017 and allegation number 1 of 2018. District collector shall give the same benefit to the applicant as they are entitled same benefit as other landowner pertaining to same notification. In addition to this benefit, payment cost of land 25 per square feet interest so-and-so of the sake are also be entitled pay upon interest of 28 and section 34 of the Act. In this connection, it may pointed out that Vijay Katan versus so and so held that the apex court, once the condition of 28 section and 34 of the act are satisfied, the award of interest is consequently and automatically, and when once provision 34 is attracted, it is obligatory of the contractor to pay, collector to pay the interest, and if interest is payable under section, it can be claimed and at any stage of proceeding. In view of the application, refer to this court or remanded back and to the collector for the disposal of according to law as mentioned above. So this is not an order to pay as like as a reference court order. This is only to directly the dispose of the application under section 28A. My lord, now I'm reading 28A. What 28A speaks of the Land Acquisition Act 1894. So this is not a reference court order. This is what we challenge. This is not a reference court order. This is 28A, section 28A. Lordship got it.
Yes.
Lordship got it. Lordship has got it.
Yes.
28A, a redetermination of the amount of compensation on the basis of the award of the court. When an award under this part, and the court allows the applicant any amount of compensation in excess of the amount awarded by the collector under section 11, the person interested in all the other land covered by the same notification under section 4, subsection 1, and who are the aggrieved by the award of the collector may, notwithstanding that they had not made application to the collector under section 18, by written application to the collector within 3 months from the date of award of the court, required that the amount of compensation shall be payable to them by redetermined on the basis of the amount of the compensation on the award by the court. So this is the power of the DC. This is not the reference from the civil code order. Civil code remand back the application under section 28A. So see, this is not the whatever the order was passed. This because we are before this honorable court. This section 34 interest, lordship, before that lordship may peruse the section 34 of this act. Section 34 of this act. Section 34 of this act. Section when amount of compensation is not paid or deposited on or before taking possession of the land, the collector shall pay the amount awarded with the interest thereon at the rate of 9% per annum from the date from the time of taking possession until it shall be been deposited, so paid or deposited, provided that if the such compensation or any part thereof is not paid or deposited within the period of 1 month from the date of taking possession
Just a minute. Huh?
So 28A is completely, this paragraph is the district collector. This is here also the order itself speaks this reference court cannot decide.
Okay. Have you seen the order?
Yes, Your Lordship, I've seen the order. What I'm trying to impress upon Your Lordship is that in this, he has read out the part of the order, my learned friend.
Have you read the entire order?
I have read it.
Okay.
But how it is different from that case is that, number one, in this case, they have not challenged this judgment and order.
They have not challenged?
They have not challenged this judgment and order passed by the additional district judge. They've straight away
What-
challenged the
what-
assessment made under section 28A by the DC without any representation, number one. And if Your Lordship can kindly turn to page 28, the section 28A, I'll just read the first line. I'll just read the first line, Your Lordship. 28A, it says that, where in an award under this part, meaning that any redetermination made under section 28A is part and parcel of the original award. It should be read as part of the award, not in isolation of the same. It says, where in an award under this part, the court allows to the applicant any amount of compensation in excess of the amount. It says, where in an award under this part. It means that any redetermination under 28A is part and parcel of the award. If I can take now, if I can take Your Lordship's attention to section 54. So any redetermination is part and parcel of the award. Section 54 is appeals in proceedings before court. Subject to the provisions of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, applicable to appeals from original decrees and notwithstanding anything to the contrary in any enactment for the time being in force. An appeal shall lie only in any proceedings under this Act to the High Court from the award or from any part of the award of the court. So what I'm trying to impress upon Your Lordship is that what my learned friend is submitting may be correct on the merit side, it may be incorrect on the merit side, I do not know. But in order to adjudicate the matter before this court, he has to come under section 54 and file an LA appeal, not a writ under Article 226. It says, proceedings under this Act to the High Court from the award or from any part of the award of the court. Any part of the award of the court. So this is part of the award of the court, because the direction was passed by the additional district judge of Colosseum. Pursuant to the direction, district collector made the necessary assessment. How can they directly challenge the assessment only without challenging the award? Sorry, the judgment in order. Let them submit a representation.
My lord, similar case is pending before principal bench also, my lord.
No, have you filed appeal? Have you filed appeal?
My lord, a similar case, my lord, is same, my lord.
Just wait.
enhancement of
Just answer the question. Have you filed appeal before the authority?
Which case, my lord? In this present case, my lord. In present case, not required, my lord, because this we are challenging.
He has not filed an appeal.
No,
That's
just
the answer.
you are aggrieved by the interest part. Interest.
I'm able. Interest is a statutory interest. It is not part of the award.
So
It
he's
is not
aggrieved.
part of-
He's aggrieved.
My lord, is not part. Section 34 is not a part of
He's
the
again
award.
going to the merit.
So 34. No, I'm not. My lord, may I pray, my lord? I am coming to the Aizawl on 14th of August.
What
my
do we
lord.
do about this section 54 then, Your Lordship?
But Section 54, my lord, they appeal against the award. It is section 34.
Or any part of the award, or any part of the, please read.
No, section 34, the interest is not a part of the award.
Interest is part and
Section
parcel of the award.
No, my lord, this is completely wrong. I have various judgment, my lord. So I will be allowed, I will attend physically on 14th of this August, my
He
lord.
has to withdraw
So-
the case and file an appeal.
Oh, my lord, no, there is no, my lord. Lordship,
When
lordship
you
may-
said, when you said,
My lord,
let him
my
be
lord,
present
I'm-
physically.
No
It's
problem.
very difficult. Okay.
problem.
When you said, when you can come, you said
14 of August, my lord.
14, immediately before
Yes, ma'am.
15 August.
Yes, I have some cases, my lord, fixed on 14, my lord.
Is it okay?
No problem, my lord. But please,
I think you
I
have
hope
to
my learned
satisfy-
friend
I
will be
think
here.
You have to satisfy Mr. Mehdi.
Yes,
You
yes,
have to satisfy the
yes,
court.
my lord. Yes, my lord. That's my lord. My lord, three data bills pending in the principal matter regarding the interest 34, my lord.
Okay.
So,
Mr.
this statement.
Mehdi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also had Mr.
Lal Fakoma.
Oh, yes, Lal Fakoma, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of respondent number.
3 to 122.
Okay, 3 to 100. Oh, you are also for?
Government.
This one is 1 and 2.
Okay, for land government advocate for respondent number 1 and 2, and Mr. Lal Fakoma for respondent number 3 to 122. Stop. Mr. Mehdi submits that he may be allowed to, Mr. Mehdi, who appearing through video conference, submits that he may be allowed to appear physically on 14. This matter may be fixed on 14, on which date he would like to appear physically. Stop. In view of the above, and as prayed for comma, let this matter be listed on 14. Okay. This is for
The interim
admission.
order,
For
sir.
admission. Okay.
My lord, interim order is there. Earlier interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then. Okay.
Highly obliged, my lord.
11. This is for hearing.
This is for today, not for Monday. This case is fixed for tomorrow.
Okay.
It has to be directed to this matter in appropriate process.
This is fixed for 4th only.
Yes, and this process is for today. So this process,
But why it has been listed today, since it is fixed for 4th?
yes, it has to be listed tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, maybe.
Item 11, this matter.
I believe, Your Lordship, maybe there was some inadvertence. Inadvertently, it's been listed today. Otherwise, it was already
Yes.
fixed
The
for 4th.
matter appears to be fixed, the matter is fixed on 4th August. However, it has been listed today. However, inadvertently, it has been listed today. Stop. List the matter tomorrow again. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
This is miscellaneous appeal. Are you appearing in this case?
Which one, Madam?
No, this item 11.
Item 11, yes. I'm for the respondent number 1 insurance company.
Okay. Start.